Hey guys, welcome to Grinding Gears, episode 3. This is a wheel build. You might see we're in a little different location this time because some brainiac stuffed up the last take and we can't do it in front of the bike now because we're a little bit down the road, so here we are. So bought some WR 450 wheels off Marketplace for $200. There's a little tip for anyone. You know, $200 is about your limit that you can hide from your other half, that, you know, you can get away with $200 every time. So if that magic number of $200 or under comes up, make sure you grab a bargain. So we went up to, I don't know, somewhere up near Ipswich, grabbed some 2008 WR 450 wheels. They weren't in too bad condition, but definitely hadn't been washed too much. We did the tear down of them with probably the bluntest bolt cutters known to man. So we pulled all the spokes out, just left the wheels, tyres intact, the rims intact, just cut the hubs out. So step 2, bead blasting. So we had access to a bead blaster, so we threw them into the bead blaster. It has really fine media in it, doesn't ruin any machine surfaces, so that's really good, especially when we got bearings in there. So we gave them a quick bead blast. They came up 100%. Then we took a trip up the road about 3 blocks to Achromatic powder coating. Those guys up there turned these hubs around for us in one day. The colour that we went for is called a burnt bronze. We went for that because we're sort of trying to mimic the Pro Circuit Kawasaki colours, because the old Honda is green and she does have a Kawasaki heart, so that's what we went for. So they turned it around, Achromatic powder coating at Arundel, $20 each. Can you believe it? $20. So threw our mate $40, dropped them off 12:30 one day, picked them up 12:30 the next day. Awesome service, definitely recommend them. We got the hubs back, colour sorted. I called the guys up at John Titman Racing and up near Cleveland there. Spoke to the guy, told him what we wanted to do, 18-inch front and rear, 18 by 2.5 the rims are, and we wanted them laced into the WR hubs. Spoke to the guy, he said, yep, just drop your hubs up and we'll be golden. So then we took a trip up to Brizzy and took the hubs, and old mate says to us, 10 to 12 week wait. Like, fuck that. Who has got 10 to 12 weeks to wait for a set of wheels to get built? So we'd done some BMX wheels in the past, so we didn't think it'd be too hard. So waited, ordered all the stuff, went up a week later, grabbed the custom built spokes and the rims that they got in, the XL rims, came back, then got into the build. So the tyres, we went for Dunlop K180s. The whole build was built around these tyres. The look of this bike is built off those tyres, so that was a make or break deal. If I couldn't get those tyres, we weren't building this bike. So then the tyres, we went down to Bo McFarlane down at Radars, and because it was going to cost us about $80 to buy a Truer, so instead of mucking around with that, slipped down to Bo. He's a legend at wheel building. He's got the offsets all right, and he fitted the tyres for a super good price for us. He always hooks us up, and he's a wealth of knowledge, so anyone who needs anything done motorcycle wise, Bo down at Radars on Brisbane Road at Arundel there. He's the man. So this is the final product. We are super stoked with the way they came out. Just nice clean black XL rims, the bronze hubs. Just went for the classic look with stainless spokes and nipples. We didn't want to get all fancy and go gold or red or anything like that. So we are a little bit ahead of schedule from where we thought we'd be. So next episode is fitting the forks. So make sure you like, subscribe and throw a comment down below if you like the channel, and make sure you share it out to your mates, and we'll catch you on the next one.